And he puts his feet in the mouth.
Unless he's on camera. You gonna munch that toe?
Is it going to taste good? Or did you find out it didn't taste good?
Munch on that toe, Jack. Get it?
Get it? Are you licking it?
Get that toe, little kid.
Are you going to say anything? You've been talking.
Oh, so you gotta say-
Oh, yeah. That tastes okay? He was like, I don't know. And back into the mouth. This is the first time he's put him in his mouth
That we've seen.
that we've seen. No, I
Yeah.
haven't seen her.
Is that a pretty good toe? Is that a pretty good toe, little kid?
Now you do your raspberries. You can do them now.
That's so funny. Just rattling.
I don't think so. There's something wrong. Are you going to do it? Show it off.
Shh, Raglan. Why are you acting like a dog?
What do you think, buddy? Why you do that when I have the video on, huh? You like to go boop, doop, 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 doop. Yeah, you've been talking up a storm, now you don't want to? Okay, there you go. Is that what you think?
Let me munch on this toe.
There you go.
Turn it sideways so you can see it kicking and stuff.
Whoa.
Yeah. Extreme close up. Iya.